Hey guys, in this video I will show you how DashNext works and a simple overview of the DashNext platform. If you have not purchased the DashNext license yet and you are looking for a review, then I think this video will be great for you to get an idea about how DashNext works and what are the features DashNext provides and what you will get once you purchase the license, everything. Okay, in order to get started, I will show you this is the main DashNext website, okay, dashnext.com. Okay, and in order to purchase the license, you will go to this link. I will paste the link where you can visit and purchase the license. And I'm using this DashNext from last 1 year and believe me, I am loving this platform. This is really great features and this is very cost effective. You know, in very cheap price you will get lot of things and it provides only in $17 everything. All the features you will get in 17 and remember there is no recurring fees in monthly or yearly. There is no renewal fee. This is a lifetime fee because once you purchase for $17, then you will get everything, all the features the DashNext provided for the lifetime. So it's a great deal, isn't it? Okay, please watch the full video so I will show you all the details. You can go to this link. I will send you the link to in the description so you can read it. And I will show you one important thing over here. Okay, when you purchase the DashNext license, you will get two things. One is DashNext Pages and one is Instant e-commerce store. So using DashNext Pages, you can build websites, landing page, any website like affiliate marketing website, lead generation websites, anything, webinar registration page. And using e-commerce store, you will create a dropshipping store, any type of physical store you can create. That means once you purchase using $17 by paying $17, then you will get two licenses. One license for DashNext page called DNP and one license for IES Instant E-commerce Store. Sorry for that. Okay, then and another important thing is that this platform is built on Amazon Cloud Infrastructure. That it is really fast. I'll show you. Here is the features. I will show you quickly. You can create unlimited mobile responsive pages using DashNext. So you can create any number of pages, any number of responsive pages you can create, and you can create a redirect. The unlimited graphics, there is no limitations. You can create Swift campaign. You can create dynamic thank you pages also. Also, you can. This is the most important things nowadays. All these entrepreneurs are looking like digital product delivery. Like let's say you have a lead generation page and you want to provide PDF book instead of their email, then that next page will work. Go to there. Then here opt-in boxes like autoresponder and here and another main feature is DashNext will provide you lifetime SSL to your domain. Okay, this is must. You don't need to purchase any additional SSL security. Then it will provide certainty security backup and updates. There's a lot of all these features, you know, lot of features are there. Then you will get everything in only 17. Okay, and same thing. This is called website and this is for the instant e-commerce store. Like if you are using, you know, Shopify or WordPress, Magento, whatever we are using, you know, there are a lot of plugins, a lot of additional third-party tools you need to use. But in case of IES, you don't need to purchase an additional plugin. All are built in, like your zero transaction fee. You can sell augmented physical products, and you can product from AliExpress. This is called dropshipping, and here all these things occurs. Okay, so let me go to without wasting time. Yes, this is the license. Okay, after you purchase, this is the license that you will get everything like SSL. As I told you, you will get the website template library, and you will create any type of pages, unlimited pages. All these things you will get, and also send for Insta Decom store, and everything is coming under $70. Okay, this is a great deal. If you have not purchased yet, you can purchase it if you want to build a landing page or static website. Then you can purchase it. I will recommend this as next. And this is the page. This is my referral page. I will put this in description. If you want, you can go to launch free and join to the tasknet and purchase it. Then I will show you how to log into Tasknet and what are the features you get after the license. Okay, so in order to log in, I need to go to the dashboard. Okay, I have already logged in. Let me log out first here, and then go to Tasknet. Okay, so this is the main website, and then I need to click on the sign in. So I have put my email ID over here. This is the password. So let me log in. Okay, you can see once we log in, this is the interface. This is called the Tasknet dashboard. Okay, so here you will see all your license details, and to log in to their two platforms. One is the Instart e-com store and one is Tasknet pages. Okay, you can see I have 21 license because I have purchased a pro membership. Like they are providing me 20 additional license with extra $97. Actually, I provide the web design services to my clients, so I need lot of websites to build. That's why I purchased their premium plans. Okay, but when you purchased using $17, you will see here one, because you will have only one license for PowerText store. Okay, and one license for your website builder. This is PowerText store builder, means this is the e-com store, and PowerText website builder, that means this is for your Tasknet pages. Okay, and here something pro features. If you purchase the pro membership, then you will get these pro features. Otherwise, you will not get. This is some additional features. Actually, you don't need unless you are doing some high level of marketing. Okay, so I'm showing you the how to log into the website dashboard. So let me first log in PowerText website builder. Let me hit the get started button. Once I logged in, you can see it's redirected to the Tasknet Connect page. Here there's a login to DNP. It will redirect to another pages, Tasknet page, and here I will log in with the Tasknet. Then I will allow it. Okay, once I log in, you can see this is Tasknet pages. So here, don't get confused. Tasknet.com is their brand website where they put everything, and Tasknet pages is their one license for building their websites, and Instant e-com store, that is for their building e-commerce stores. Okay, so once you log in to DNP, I will show you how their website are made here. Okay, once I log in, this is the website dashboard. So I have built only one website for my services. You can see I can click on virtual assistant service. You can see this is the Website I have only 3 pages. Here, here is the website setting page. Okay, so this is the actual how it looks inside their backend system. So you can see design here. If you are manually creating your website, then you can set up your header, body, everything over here. But if you know HTML and CSS and you are using any templates, then no need to change anything over here. You just create now upload your Then this is the blog features recently charted the blog. Here you can add your script like Google Search Console and Google Analytics, any other third party script you want to add, you can add over here like a header script and footer script. And you can add or create also XML sitemap over here. And this is called source hosting. This is the main things like in normal hosting platform what we use. We call it file manager, where we upload all our HTML files. And in the same case in Next it is called the source hosting. In source hosting we generally upload all our files like CSS, fonts, images, and JavaScript files. Remember .NET doesn't support any PHP file. It doesn't support any PHP file. So keep in mind that if you want to create a website using PHP and you want to purchase .NET, then it will not work for you. .NET only support HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the so here you need to upload all these files. I have created a website using Bootstrap template, so I have uploaded all my files over here, only image, JavaScript, CSS files, everything. Okay, so these are some legal pages. It will automatically create for you like terms page, privacy policy page, disclaimer page, everything. And other pages, if you want to create the about the page, it's okay. Otherwise, you can create from another way. I will tell you how to do this. This is the custom domain. Like you need to create the domain separately. Always remember, .NET doesn't provide a domain. It provides you a free domain. Like let's say your website .net.com. It will provide it you like this, but you know what? It doesn't provide you a free domain. You need to purchase a domain for your business. For domain, you can go to GoDaddy or Namecheap or One and One. Anything you can purchase a domain and you can add the domain here. If anybody want how to set up everything, please write down the comment below. Then I'll create a video for that. Okay. Then go to. Let me show you how my website looks like. This is the virtual assistant business. You can see. So this is the website I built using .NET, and this is built using any Bootstrap template. Okay. So this is a one-page template. You can see everything I have here, like all the section, like services, work, and I have pricing table and contact page. Okay. Here. Everything I have customer review over here. I have added one third-party chatting messaging tool over here. So if any customer want to chat, then they can chat over here. Okay, then and the system tab, you can design anything. Okay, if you know HTML and CSS, you know how to create a website using Bootstrap template, then you can create anything in .NET. So this is the website I built using .NET. Also, I have created a lot of other websites using .NET. I will put in my description. Okay. So this is how the .NET backend looks like. Okay, let me go to the home page again to show you how actually it works, and then go to the custom pages over here. This is only one page, so I create a couple of more pages over here, like clone and test just for my testing purpose. So, and here you can see this is my home page. You can see a lot of options, like if I want to edit anything, I can click on the edit page. Then I can, here too I can edit, like on look code editor. Here I can edit the code directly if you are experienced with the HTML and CSS. Then you can edit directly over here. Okay. Then if you are not experienced with CSS or HTML, then please don't edit directly with code. Then they have a great features called inline editor. Using inline editor, you can edit anything from the front end. It is really great features they are providing. Like let's say if I want to add something over here, you can see they provide like edit text. So find in source code, I go to edit text here, then I will put anything, then just click on the apply changes. Okay, so I have already everything here, so I don't want to change anything. Anything I can do here, like if I want to change the code over here, then I can change the code. Okay, if I want to put any number over here, like let's say I will edit my happy clients. I recently, you can see if I click over here, then it is showing I have recently get more clients. So let me update it over here, so you can see. You can apply it, then you can see it will reflect over here. Okay, 55. Okay, so now you can see how does it work. It's really a great tools. Then let me save it. Okay, once you save it, everything you will go to save and page published. Okay, like this you can create unlimited number of pages over here. And one of the best features is you can clone any page and just write it a text to create another page. Okay, this is the uh, review and the backend interface of Dashnet. Now let me go to the Instaticom store. Okay, again I will go to my dashboard over here, and for the store builder I will go to code get started and log into IES. Then it will redirect me to IES platform. Okay, you can see after my ecom store, I will log into my Dashnet. Allow. Okay, so you can see here I have created a couple of stores for the testing purpose. Let me go to store. This is the store dashboard, how it looks like. You can see I have created two stores. One is Crazy Horse, one is Impression Apparel. I will show you how does it look like. This is the crazyhorse.com. Okay, let me go to the main store settings. You can see this is the domain crazyhorse.com. If I open it, you can see how it looks like. And everything here, like you have got lot of option inside the ecom, so lot of option you can manually edit everything by yourself. This is called, I have created this POD, like print on demand, and I have created all this product from the Printful. Okay, I have uploaded this product. If you open it, you can check how it looks like you get everything. Okay, this is how in desktop version and mobile version it will look good. You can everything, you will get everything what you needed for your ecom store. Okay, this is not lot of features like logins, everything. There is not lot of features, but it is enough features to make you sell. Okay, like you can create a description. These are some bullet point. This is size, colors, everything you can set up. And this is some description. This is add to cart option. I mean, uh, you can uh, add your payment gateway using PayPal and Stripe and other payment gateway also. So this is how it looks like the e-com store that is built with Dasnex. Okay, I have built another website. I will show you. I will show you another website I have built. It is called Impression Apparel. Okay. And the another feature is that you can create a COD, I mean cash and delivery system. See, can you see difference between this store? This store looks simple like menu bar and all the product one by one over here, but it is looking something different. Like it's good, like we have menu bar, we have a head like a banner, and we have some categories option over here. So in order to get all these things, you need to purchase the premium plan, because in free plan your website will look like this, but in premium plan your website will look like this. Okay, otherwise all features are sorry. I mean, you can go to sub collection over here. Here you will get everything. Okay, all these things. These are the things I have built using Dasnex Store. And this this website provides, you know, COD facility, you know, cash on delivery. While someone place an order, it will not charge anything like this. Okay, I have built a lot of stores also for my clients. I will put a description in. I will put the links in my descriptions. So this is how it looks like. You know, I have currently 2 stores. I may build some more stores here in future. Okay, now I'll show you how actually you can create the product page. I'll show you the quick. If you go to here, go to products, you can see I have 34 currently listed products. You can see this is the product page. This is the product page, how it looks like. Let me open one product page for you so you can see. You can see product name, product description, title, regular price, current price. This will show you offer. And you can put some description. You can put additional description over here. Then you can add up to 7 to 8 images. Then you can create product variants like color, size, everything. You can create GSK were automatically created for you. Then you can create the timer options, everything, all these features you will get everything here. You can create a categories, you can show the related products. The related product means if someone create this product, then it will on the related product it will show you all these things. You know, for this you don't need to purchase an additional plugins. These features are already built in. So this is the great features. So this is how this is the review of the Dasnex. I showed you. Hope you like this video. If you want me to create another video using Dasnex, how to create a website using Dasnex, then put your comment below. Then I will create another video if you have any questions. Okay, and I will put my description also how to log in, how to purchase your license from Dasnex. Also, let me show you something. Also, let me show you something. The website I have built using Dasnex. These are the website I have built Let me show you. Okay, so you can see this is the Raptor CV. This is one client website I built using TaskNext. You can see it. I'll put all these links there. Okay. I created another website called Unite Live. You can check. Here you can see I've created a lot of pages here. You can see I have created pages over here. Okay. Uh, if you are a small business owner and you want a basic website to display a service, and then that's necessarily really great for it. What do you think? I'm not sure. I'll share all the links to you. And this, BCI home care. I think I built this. Let me show you. Okay, I just forgot the list, but I'll show you everything. The website I built using TaskNext. I'll show this. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have question, please ask me. Then I will try to reply you as soon as possible. And final comment is TaskNext is really a great platform. If you want to get lot of features with the minimal fees, then this is the great option for you. So don't need to wait, just go and purchase it. Only it costs $17 and you will get lifetime license. Thank you.